Good morning. Okay, so I'm working with 20 by 20 inch canvas. I've coated it with Prussian blue. And I am going to do a dustpan ring pour and see how it comes out. I like working on the 24 by 24 inch ones for this style pour because the dustpan is really wide. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm actually just gonna fill my 18-ounce cup with about 16 ounces of fluid of paint and see how it does a little less paint on the canvas. So I'll put my white in there. Metallic Sapphire by Art Minds. That is mixed 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Bright Aqua Green mixed equal parts Floetrol, and it is Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. I have DecoArt's 24K Extreme Sheen Gold. Do some of Arteza's Bordeaux Red, and this is mixed about 7 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And I've added a little bit of water to all of these to really thin them down a bit. Do a little bit of white. Deep Turquoise by Master's Touch mixed with a little bit of Mysterious. Okay, we're gonna do gold. A little dollop will do it. Don't want an overwhelming amount of gold. Fire Opal is by Folk Art, mixed equal parts Floetrol to paint. With a little bit of water, of course. The Deep Turquoise is mixed about 6 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Part of my coffee maker. There we go. Get these out of the way and we'll do the pour. Okay. All right. One more torch. I think I'm gonna move this a little bit this way. All right. Okay, here goes. Maybe I'll put a little white in the base there. All right, ring pour it is. All right, I think I'm gonna go this way. Decisions. All right. Can't do it. All right, here we go. All right. Gonna bring it this way a bit. Play a bit with the competition. I mean, yeah, the competition. No, the composition is what I meant. Go this way. right there. Just gonna rinse my hands off. I got a little bit of paint on them. And we'll bring you guys in just a second. Okay, so pardon the glare. I'm going to move this way a bit. I love this piece. The metallic sapphire is just electric against the red and the gold, as well as the fire opal. But I think this piece turned out fabulous. And it is blue. Just looks darker than it is. Anywho, so let's come in and see some detail. All of this. I love this area right here. So pretty. Goes right down the edges. And it's the same on every edge. It comes down and it folds over, and it is so pretty. I mean, look at all those little lines in there. So this cluster right here is just crazy. It's so pretty. All right, and then I wasn't gonna do a little one, a companion piece, because I didn't think I'd have enough paint left. So I did put the rest of the paint on there, but I also did a tiny little 3-ounce cup and did a little tiny ring pour. And I really think that it complements this piece beautifully. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe so you don't miss a video from me going forward. Ring that bell. And then also check out my social media links. Find me on Facebook. If you have any questions, you're totally able to get in touch with me. But have a great day, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao.